Hello, and welcome to NIME's 3 Days Weather Forecast. I'm Olubi Adedamola. The month of May is expected to give us some good weather activities, and this is still likely to hold before we get to the middle of May. And some of these weather events are likely to be accompanied with strong winds and some thunder and lightning activities, so the citizenry should watch out for these events. I begin today's forecast looking at the only active thunderclouds we have around the country over part of southern Borno and Yobe, and we expect this to dictate the pace of weather activities on Thursday over part of the Plateau, part of Bauchi, part of Abuja and Kaduna, and also part of Taraba are places where we expect this to lead to some thunderstorms. We also expect thunderstorms events over part of Kebbi and also part of the coast of the southeast and that of the southwest, with Lagos and Ijebu likely to have their fair share of thunderstorms. We expect temperatures over the country to range around 41 over Borno to about 39 degrees Celsius over part of Katsina, Kano, and as part of Guzo in the northwest. We expect temperatures over the FCT and environ to range within 34 over Abuja to 38 over part of Nasarawa. Part of the southeast and the southwest coastal areas and inland areas are likely to have temperature predominantly ranging within 34 to 35 degrees Celsius. We expect Friday to also start with partly cloudy conditions over part of the north, while other areas in the country will be in cloudy conditions, except for chances of thunderstorms over part of Bauchi and Gombe in the afternoon hours, and also part of Taraba. Part of Abuja and Kaduna and part of Nasarawa are also areas where we expect some thunderstorms on Friday afternoon, with the inclusion of areas around Kebbi, part of Niger, part of the inland of the southeast and the coast of the southeast, and that of the coast of the southwest are areas where we expect thunderstorms on Friday afternoon. We expect temperatures over the northeast to still be within 41 to 42 degrees Celsius over Yobe and Borno, while that of Sokoto will rise to about 42 degrees Celsius. Abuja and Kaduna will have temperature around 35 to 37 degrees Celsius, while we expect temperature over the southern areas on the southeast coast and that of the southwest and the inland areas to range within 33 to 35 degrees Celsius. We expect Saturday to also start with some fine weather over the north of the country, with most areas likely to be in partly cloudy conditions. Chances of weather activities are expected to increase in the afternoon hours over part of Gombe and part of Bauchi, part of Plateau, Abuja, Kaduna, part of Taraba, and also part of Kogi and part of the southeast coast and inland areas are places where we expect some thunderstorms in the afternoon. We expect the southwest areas around the Ijebu and part of Lagos and also part of Niger to also have some thunderstorms later in the afternoon on Saturday. Temperatures are still likely to range within 43 degrees Celsius over the northeast, while that of the northwest will have temperature around 41 over part of Katsina and Kano. We expect areas around the central cities, places around Abuja and Niger Mina to range within 35 to 36 degrees Celsius, while as we move to the southwest, inland and the coastal areas of the southwest, we expect temperatures predominantly to be within 32 over Osogbo, Ibadan to about 33 degrees Celsius over part of Ijebu and Lagos, while that of the southeast coastal areas will have temperatures around 33 to 34 degrees Celsius over cities around Port Harcourt, Calabar, part of Yenagoa in the Niger Delta axis, and also part of Eket. And that's where we'll leave you for our 3 days weather forecast, our production for the weekend. Do join us in the coming days for updates. I'm Olubi Adedamola, and thank you for watching.